I'm not entirely sure what you would use this for. Is it to check out your middle? The really crap barista coffee. The temperature control was absolutely rubbish.
Today we're checking out the Travelodge at Liverpool Central. Could this be the best budget hotel for staying in the city? At only £45 a night, let's check it out.
Good morning and welcome to the room review of Travelodge Liverpool Central. Let's have a look at this very bog standard room that we got for £45 on a Friday night. So walking in the door, very standard Travelodge fare. We've got the bed with Hannah's bag on it. The bed is a little bit messy because we're actually checking out just now. I'm not very good at doing these room reviews on the night of. This side is incredibly plain. There's no mirrors or anything down there. You'd expect one. Little heater on the floor. There is a mirror there, so hello. We'll come back to the bathroom in a second. We've got Hannah sitting in a chair. How comfy is the chair, Hannah?
It's alright, it's nice.
It's nice, nice little leather effecty chair, isn't it?
I like it.
Got TV. Batteries have just died on the remote, but otherwise TV's okay. Although I did notice, if we look under the TV, there's the hole, so it must have had that wonky one like we had in Luton before. We've got the drink station down here with the really crap barista coffee, and although we've got Twinings tea, not PG tips today, we can have that. 2 cups and no glasses. No glasses, always no glasses at Travelodge, I don't know why. We've got this weird kind of half-height mirror on the wall. I'm not entirely sure what you would use this for.
Saying hello in.
Saying hello in, yeah. But like, is it to check out your middle? I don't know. I mean, it's really at the wrong height for what it looks at, to be honest.
Children stopping.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
Maybe
Or
see.
there was something here
And
and they've just put a mirror on the front of it. I think so. Bin down the bottom, some storage, and the ever-present Travelodge beer opener. As you do. We've got not a bad view out. We're in the 5th floor. We can see St George's Hall over there, and the road. I guess if we went round that way, we'd see Lime Street potentially. Buses down there. It was fairly quiet last night actually. We had the window open all night and it wasn't too noisy. We've got 2 wonky lamps here that do come on, but they keep rocking and rolling. Nice king size bed. Bad point is absolutely no power by the bedside tables, and randomly the light is over by the window. There's nothing up here, so that's no good. And then, wrong light, into the bathroom. The bathroom, hello. The bathroom feels really old. I think it's an old styly one. And did you find the shower the same, Hannah? Was it a bit rubbish?
It was, and it kept just staying hot.
Yeah, the temperature on it was, the temperature control was absolutely rubbish. So mirror there, and then the really crap body wash and hand wash. So this is the room here at Travelodge. And what did you think, Hannah?
I quite like it. For a one night stay, it's okay. I think if we're staying here any longer, I think we'd have to go to somewhere where they had a bit more like with power and stuff. But other than that, for
budget
one
friendly.
Night,
Yeah, 45 quid on a Friday night.
Yeah.
Can't beat it. It's close to, I mean, it's literally a walk down to the Cabin Club and sort of Matthew Street.
Yeah.
And also a 5-minute walk really down to the town centre. So really well located, and you can park in the Q Park for, I think it's £12 for 24 hours, so that's a cheap
that is
option to
cheap,
park.
Yeah.
Lovely. Right, well, we shall go check out.